Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to activate debit card on Royal Bank of Scotland. The process is quite easy, so let's go ahead and dive in straight into the video. To activate Royal Bank of Scotland debit card, the first thing you'll need to do is to open a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top and type in rbs.co.uk. and press enter on your keyboard. From the official website for Royal Bank of Scotland, click on the login button appearing at the top right hand corner. Make sure to log into your digital banking account by entering your customer number or your card number and click continue. Follow through the on-screen prompts and enter necessary details for your account, and then once you're signed in, look for the debit card option and follow through the prompts to activate your new debit card for Royal Bank of Scotland. You can also call the activation phone number on your new debit card, which is used for activation. Simply go ahead and dial the number from your registered phone number, and you will then be able to follow the automated prompts in order to finish off your debit card activation for Royal Bank of Scotland. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.